Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the text color in Google Docs. So basically, changing the text color can be useful in some cases where you want to improve the readability, or you might want to make the document a bit more prettier, and perhaps you want to make some element or some text a bit more stand out. You can do that by changing the text color. So here's how you can change the text color in your document. First, you have to select the you have to select the text or the paragraph that you want to change the color. So I have a bunch of text here. Let's say I want to change the color for this part. And the only way to do that is by clicking on the text, especially at the beginning, and then drag the mouse until you reach the end. So after that, you will see this highlighter effect. And after that, go to the menu that's called text color. And here you can pick any color you want, and of course you have the option to add a custom color. If you know the color code, you can enter that here. But in this example, I'm going to use the color from the preset. Let's say I'm going to select the color for this blue, and there you go. The color of the text has been changed, and that's basically how you can change the color. The font color in your Google Docs document. So I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.